Do you know that you can make some passive income through your mobile device? You can make some extra money by using your mobile device. We normally create Facebook accounts, we create Facebook pages, YouTube accounts. Now we know that all these platforms, you can get some passive income through it. So today's video, I'll be taking you through Facebook page and I'll be showing you how to monetize your Facebook page. And I'll be showing you the requirements, the things that you need to meet before you can monetize your Facebook page. And also the countries where the Facebook monetization is available. Without wasting much of your time, let's start. So there are there are differences between these two things. We have the Facebook page and the Facebook account. Now the Facebook account is just the normal Facebook account that we normally create to have conversation with your friends, to post our videos and so on. But the Facebook page is a page that you created that you can monetize and get some money from it. So that is the difference between the Facebook page and then the Facebook account. Now today's video, I'll be showing you how to monetize your Facebook account. Now before you can monetize your Facebook page, there are certain requirements, there are certain things that you need to meet before you can monetize your Facebook page. Now the first thing is that you should be 18 years. So 18 years minors are not part of this program, so you should be 18 years or more before you can join the Facebook monetization. And the next thing is that you should have at least, you should have 10,000 followers. You should have 10,000 followers or more before you can also think of joining the Facebook monetization. And also the next thing that you should have 600,000 minute view in the last 30 days, in the last 60 days, sorry. You should have 600,000 minute view in the last 60 days. So these are some of the requirements. And then the last one, that you should have at least 5 active videos on your page. So you should have these 3 or 4 things before you can think of monetizing your Facebook page. Now Facebook page monetization is not like the YouTube coaches you can find in all the countries around the globe, but Facebook monetization policy is limited to some specific countries. So as you can see, these are some of the countries that the Facebook monetization is available on. So if you meet all these criteria that they are looking for, still you should be in this area, or you should be in this country that the Facebook monetization is. So as you can see, these are some of the countries. This is the countries rolling there, so you can check that if you are in this country, that means you're good to go. So if you meet the requirement, you can monetize your Facebook account or Facebook page, and then you'll be starting making some passive income from them. I hope this video will help you a lot in order to understand whether to start a Facebook page or not. See you in the next video. Bye.